All right. Welcome to the Digital HQ. This is my new portfolio, and we are landing right on the main screen. And you have to see this first. Uh, this neural 3D architecture in the background, actually, it is not just a loop. These are the gravity particles, and if you move your cursor, they will actually react to it, and you can literally grab them. It's very cool. But yeah, okay, so I think this is not a gaming site, so just leave them alone. And let's focus. So we have the header, you can see we have our social links, pretty clean, pretty awesome. I like the this color. And then we have on the right side three big ones: the resume, GitHub, and Ask Sophia. She is very awesome actually. So let's go to the resume. You can see this is not just a download button. This is the digital version of the my paper resume. And if you want to download, so just hit this button and download it, get it. Next, let's go to the GitHub. This is pretty cool actually. This GitHub is the complete readme version of my actual GitHub profile. So I just copy pasted here. You can see my streak here, my total contributions, things like that. And yeah, and if you wanna see the whole version, so just go to the real site. It's right here. Okay, so this is about the header. Now let's go to the real stuff. And the real stuff under these two buttons, one is my work and another is my projects. I'm not talking about my experience here. uh, both sections consist my actual work. So in the work, we have two pretty products. One is Train 360, another is Scan 360. Many of you, I guess, aware of Scan 360, but Train 360 actual is the newest one, and it has some pretty cool options. First of all, Train 360 is live on youknowit.com, and you guys can actually grab the deal for the starter plan about $5 only, which is very cheap. And here you can generate the full enterprise level courses with AI, not just text but images, videos. It's a whole new package, and it is more like enterprise grade training part. Like if you want to give the training to the interns or the newcomers in the companies, like the freshmen. And yeah, just type youknowit.com and you get it. And then we have the Scan 360. This is beta version and it is free right now. You guys can check out it from the view details. And let's get to the two other options. Not options, but these are the mobile version application that I have published on the Google Play Store only this time. So let's talk about the luxury rides. Let's say if you live in Delhi and you are super rich or like financially blessed. So mm, you know, if you want a luxury experience while traveling in very dusty Delhi, so just download this. I'm not gonna say anything. The app experience is very awesome, very premium, but I will get to know this about more. But only if you're rich. Then for the plant lovers, gardeners, or the farmers, if they wanna know the diagnosis of their plant, they wanna know the products or any recommendation, they want to find the companion plants, anything, so just download this application. This is the awesome one. They have their own AI assistant also, which whose name is Hibiscus, familiar to the plant, of course. So yeah, these four are the products which are live in the market right now. Then let's go to the innovation portfolio, and this is the new thing actually. Like as you can see, this is a 360 ecosystem, and the precursor of my startup level 360. And I'm not going to announce my official role here just yet. You guys will see that around January 2026. But these projects are the foundation. You will notice a lot of these tags says private, but there is a reason behind that. I'll not discuss that, but yeah, that is because These are the like enterprise grade platforms like gap analysis, project management, strategies, or highly advanced IPs. So yeah, but here is a pretty cool part. Even though the code is private for every project, but the Sophia knows everything. And in my sense, as you can hover on any card, you will find a glowing button which shows Ask Sophia. And what she will do, she will explain the entire architecture, tech stack, and how it works, even if I can't show you the raw code yet. So this is the best thing I love about my Sophia, because she has everything about every project that I have ever built. So this is the cool part. Now below we have the incubator. These five projects are my babies. We are talking space science, physical science, neuroscience, really bleeding edge AI implementation. And these are close to my heart. And honestly, I might spin them off into their own companies later. Could be in the level 360, or I just like you guys heard me. And yeah, last but not least, uh, the Vault. And this is like a history channel. My favorite here has to be the AI Endo Enforcer. We built this for the Smart India Hackathon. It used computer vision to track your exercise from the real time, like inside your house or something like that. But yeah, now look, we didn't win, but the tech was absolutely killer. And of course, the Smart Agent ID. How can I forget this one? My final year university project. It was basically a coding environment with an AI partner built in, kind of like a coding wife experience. But it was the way ahead of its time. So yeah, that's why these all are the bold condition. Okay, I think need to tell you one more thing. You guys can still ask Sophia about every project. And wrapping up the social proof, I have got Clinton here. He is the founder of Level 360, and we have been working together for about a year on these AI products. And it's been a fantastic partnership, I have to say that. So I think this is the portfolio, but I left out the most important part, the brain behind it all. And I really want to cover that into the next video, which is about my Sophia AI agent. She is really awesome. She knows everything about me. She is like a digital twin, and it is built on Google's new agent development kit and the MCP server. MCP server, I know, very common thing right now, but it is actually useful if you guys are actually implementing them. Okay, so this is it. The agentic backend that makes this the only portfolio of its kind. Uh, okay, then catch you in the next one. See you.